Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Alfa Mazlin Atasha bintu Riziman, number matrix A22A0411. Today, I want to present about the company information and employees profile. Legacy Art and Craft was founded in 2020 by Lee Wei Ken. He had studied at University Malaysia Kelantan and he has majored in Arts and Craft course at his college. After graduation, he works in many places including the famous boutique and handicraft place where he lived. He decided to open his own business after learning and mastering arts and craft. He has named his craft company with a very unique name, which is Legacy Art and Craft. The name of the business is taken because he wants this business to be continued by other members of his family, including the next generation. Her colleagues Adam, Amirul, Alfa, Anis, Haris, Arisa, Farisha, Faris, Shazwan and Aisha, who each have a knowledge of online business, has contributed a lot in the success of this business activity. Next is employees profile. Legacy Art and Craft has 10 employees who play a role in this business. First is Adam in Department of Finance. He earned RM10 per hourly rate, RM32 regular hour and got RM302,000 regular pay. Then the Amiro who served in marketing earns RM30 hourly rate, RM33 regular hour, RM5 for overtime hour, 429 for regular pay and 97.5 for overtime pay. Next is Alpha in sale. Earn RM30 for hourly rate, RM33 for regular hour and 429 for regular pay. Anis earn RM10 per hourly rate, RM32 for regular hour and 320 for regular pay. Next is Aisha in production. Earn RM40 hourly rate, 35 regular hour, RM9 for overtime hour and 490 for regular pay. 100 to 26 for overtime pay and 350 commission. And for Haris, he got RM14 for hourly rate, RM35 for regular hour, RM7 overtime hour, 490 regular pay, RM147 for overtime pay and 450 for the commission. Next, Farisha and Shazwan in payroll got RM50 hourly rate and 38 and 39 for regular hour. For overtime hour, Shazwan got RM3 per hour and regular pay 570 for Farisha and 585 for Shazwan. Shazwan also got a RM67 for 0.5 for overtime pay and 395 for commission. Faris and Arisa got 12 and 13 in hourly rate, 36 and 37 for regular hour, and Arisa got RM2 for overtime hour. And for regular pay, Faris and Arisa earn 432 and 481 for each. Arisa also got overtime pay as much as RM39.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Adam Al-Bayhaqi bin Maizuddin and my matric number is A22A0121. So today I will present about the calculation of regular pay, hourly rate and regular hours. So we will calculate for Adam's regular pay. Okay, Adam's regular rate, hourly rate is RM10 and the regular hour is 32 hours. Okay. The formula to what we call calculate the regular pay is the hourly rate subtract with regular hours. So Adam's regular rate is RM10 for per hour and his working hours is 32 hours. So 10 subtract 32 multiplies 32 equals to 320. So that's all. That's all call. That is how to calculate the regular pay. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Good morning to the examiner. My topic is question 2. My name is Lee Ken and my number matrix is A22A0458. In this table below, we can saw that The owner, Liwai Ken, has given the model amount of 1,200 ringgit, and loan for relative is 3,000. Interest rate is 2%, and in a 24-month period. The interest amount is about 60 ringgit, and the future value is 3,060 ringgit. And she also loan from bank, which is Maybank, is 6,750 ringgit, which is interest rate 2.7 compound every 2 months in a 7 years period, and the interest amount is 1,407.15 cents. In the future value, it is 8,157.15 cents. The total of amount owner the company will get is 11,000, and the interest amount total is 1,467.15 cents, and the future value is 12,467.15 cents. Besides that, the company also got doing the promissory note, which is I, Lee Wai Ken, thus admit that on 18 May 2023, I borrowed from my uncle, Mr. Pang Yimeng, the amount of 3,000. This loan is being offered to help my art and craft business get off the ground. The loan specifics are as the following: amount of loan 3,000, interest 2%, month of the loan 24 months, and total payback is 3,060 ringgit. Another promissory note is I, Lee Wai Ken, first admin that on 18 May 2023, I borrowed from Maybank the amount of 6,750 ringgit. Only, this loan is being offered to help my art and craft business to get off the ground. The loan specifics are as the following: amount of loan is 6,750 ringgit, interest is 2.7%, and loan is 7 years, and total payback is 8,157.15 cents. That's all for my part. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Tafizan Afif bin Jaya and my matrix number is A22A0768. For question A, the machinery is crafting, cutting, screen printing, head press and pottery wheel, and for the cost is 2,500, 4,000, 1,800 and 1,200. For question B, 1. The first year expenses for the first year is 1,200 and last year is 141. For the accumulated depreciation for the first year is 1,200 and last year 3,761. For B2, the first year is 1,000 and last year is 143 and 1,000 for the accumulated and first year, and last year is 4,000. For question C, for payment 30 March is 9,300 and for payment 13 April is 9,500.
My name is Noranis Iriani binti Ripit and my matrix number is A22A0522, and I will present question 4A and B. Question 4. Based on the bank loan that your company has identified in Table 1, at 2.5% compounded monthly is to be amortized in 12 months. Question A. Calculate the monthly payment. So loan amount is RM 6,750. Interest rate is 2.5% per month, and number of months if 12. So to calculate monthly interest rate is 2.5% divided by 100 divided by 12 and we will get 0.0208. And formula for monthly payment is loan amount times monthly interest rate in bracket divided by 1 minus 1 plus monthly interest rate in bracket power of negative loan period. And then we substitute value into formula. Monthly payment equal to RM 6,750 times times 0.0208 in bracket divide 1 minus 1 plus 0.0208 power of negative 12 in bracket, and we will get the answer for monthly payment is RM 582.74. Question 4b. Construct the amortization timetable. So in the timetable, we need to have month, beginning balance, ending balance, monthly payment, total paid, principal paid, total principal paid, interest paid, and total interest paid. So the first one, we need to do calculation. The first step, we need to get the amount of interest paid. 6,750 times 0.025 times 1 divided by 12, and the answer is 40.06. And then the second step is we need to get the amount of principal paid, RM 582.74 minus 40.06, and the answer is RM 568.68. And then next we need to get the amount of ending balance, RM 6,750 minus RM 568.68, and the answer is RM 6,181.32 for the first month, and then repeat the same calculation for second month until 12th month.